Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial, how to transfer money from PayPal to Venmo without a card in 2025. If you've ever found yourself juggling between these two popular payment apps and wondering how to move your funds seamlessly without relying on a credit or debit card, you're in the right place. This method is perfect for anyone looking to keep things simple, secure, and card-free. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both a PayPal account and a Venmo account set up. If you don't, download the apps from your App Store and create them quickly. It's free and straightforward. Now, the key to this transfer is using your linked bank account as the bridge. Start by opening your PayPal app and navigating to your wallet or balance section. Here, you'll want to add or confirm your bank account if it isn't already linked. PayPal makes this easy. Just select Link a Bank and follow the prompts to connect your checking or savings account. Once that's done, withdraw the amount you want to transfer from PayPal to your bank account. Go to the Transfer Money option, choose your bank, enter the amount, and confirm. This usually takes 1 to 3 business days, so plan ahead. While you're waiting, open your Venmo app and ensure your bank account is linked there too. If not, repeat the process in Venmo's settings under Payment Methods. After the funds hit your bank account, head back to Venmo and initiate a transfer from your bank to your Venmo balance. Select Add Money, choose your bank, enter the amount, and verify. Boom! Your money is now in Venmo. Remember, fees might apply depending on your bank, so check for any charges beforehand to avoid surprises. That's it, you've successfully transferred money from PayPal to Venmo without needing a card. This method is not only convenient but also helps you manage your finances more flexibly in 2025. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.